everybody, my name is Steph and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. So today I'm here to show you guys how I achieved this glueless install from UniceHair. What they sent me is a 24-inch deep wave unit. It was already cut, customized, knots were bleached, everything like that. Information on this unit will be in my description box below. And I want to thank UNICE for working with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this install.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew aside, all the niggas round me, riding.
Okay, y'all, so when you order from UNICE, you will get your package. In your package, there will be your wig. Again, this wig is a 24-inch. It's a 7x7, or I want to say 8x8 because it's not a frontal, and it is a little too big to be a 7x7. So we gonna say 8x8 closure unit, and also we get a lot of goodies as well. I love when we get goodies. And I love these new HD caps. They make your install super seamless and also last long. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks now after I gave it like a little bit more plucking to fit my liking. It is super cute. I like the thinness of the lace as well. I like that it already came like, you know, damn near mostly customized, but I definitely went in a little bit more, add like a little bit more like you know, a little bit more hairline in the front. Okay, so we're gonna get right into this install. Normally I go in with my glue to hold down my wig cap, but since we're doing a glueless install, I'm gonna take a little Got2b spray and spray it across my hairline, and then we're gonna let that dry. Something else I like to do, I like to sew my wig cap down in the back because I like to make sure all my wigs stay secure. I don't like that flapping up stuff. I don't like seeing that cap flapping up in the back. So I like to secure every little inch and every little part of my wig. So that's what we're gonna do. Once that spray is dry, we're going to cut the excess cap off right across that hairline. The reason I love these HD caps is because it's already giving seamless. It's already giving like bald lady right before I put that makeup on. So that's why you got to get you a Bestie. Y'all had to stop for a second. DoorDash, I brought me my little taco salad. It's all vegan too. Fire. Well, now let's get back to this video. We're also going to put that same color on the lace of the wig as well. And then I like to spray a little Got2b to lock all that in. And then spray it with, use your blow dryer. Now let's try this wig on for size. I like the fact that in the back of this wig as well, there's an elastic band to adjust it to how you need it to be. And it's already tight. So you don't have to glue this wig down if you don't want to. But right now we're not going to do it. We're going to do a glueless install. So we're going to take that Got2b gel and put it across our hairline and let it get real tacky. Once it gets tacky, we put the wig on top of where the gel ends, and we're gonna push that in with our back of our comb as well. Also, I'm going to go in with some Got2b spray just to lock everything in just a little bit tighter. I know it's a glueless install, but again, I like my wigs to be super secure. I don't like for nothing to be lifting, looking crazy. And then we're going to take our blow dryer on medium heat and go across our hairline. I did that for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to use our comb and push that in as well to make sure everything is, you know, right and tight. Then we're going to go in with our elastic band across the top of our head. I like to put that on for like at least 15 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to eat my vegan taco salad. So it's been about 20-25 minutes or so. We're gonna take that elastic band off and see how it's giving. It's already tight. I'm just gonna show you guys by pulling it a little bit. Then I'm just gonna take a comb and just push under and show you guys like it is not glued down. Like you could take your comb and just push under there and then just push it back down, put an elastic band on, and it's gonna snap right back, just like as if you glued it down. Okay, UNICE. Just our first impression, I'm loving how soft these curls are from UNICE. I like that it seems very easy to manage. Like, you know, you get some curly hair and it's very thick. As soon as you put any product on it, it gets very tangled. I like that the curls don't do that at all, and I can work with the lace. It's very thin, it's not very harsh, and it blends very well as if it was HD with my skin tone. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this install as well as I did making it. Again, this unit is from UniceHair. It is a 24-inch reddish brown unit that is listed on their website. All information on this unit will be in my description box below. Don't forget to follow me on all social networks at Steffthabest, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.